Number 1.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, finished in striking red with a tan interior and powered by a dependable 4.3-liter V6 Vortec gasoline engine. This truck has been carefully maintained and remains in excellent running condition. It features a durable bedliner, a tow package for hauling needs, good tires, clear glass all around, and an aftermarket Alpine CD player that enhances the driving experience. Comfort is ensured with freezing cold air conditioning, a functional heater, and a rear split window for added convenience. The engine was completely rebuilt about 5 years ago and now has approximately 34,000 miles on it. The transmission was also fully overhauled during the same period, contributing to its smooth and reliable performance. It runs and drives exceptionally well, with no major mechanical issues. Recently passing emissions testing valid for the next 2 years, this truck comes with a clean Arizona title and has remained in the same family since new, reflecting long-term care and ownership pride.
Number 1.
1989 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,500. With only 123,000 miles on the odometer, this truck runs and drives excellently, showing no mechanical issues whatsoever. Finished in a striking blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the Chevrolet 2500 stands out for both its clean appearance and its well-preserved cabin. The interior remains in immaculate condition, a testament to the care it has received over the years. Equipped with a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it delivers the reliable power and smooth performance these models are known for. For its time, this truck came fully loaded with comfort and convenience features including power windows, power door locks, air conditioning and heat, and a classic AM/FM radio with a tape cassette player. It has always been properly serviced and never abused, reflecting years of responsible ownership.
Number 3.
1994 GMC 1500, price $9,800. This truck has 178,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a beige interior, running on gasoline. The truck is a 4x4 model with a stylish wood-trimmed interior and remote start functionality. It holds a clean title and runs well, making it a dependable and comfortable cruiser. Although it has a small power steering leak, it remains a solid and smooth ride overall. Additionally, this GMC comes with several upgrades and accessories, including a C-notch, flip kit, drop shackles, and new shock extenders, offering great potential for anyone looking to enhance its performance or stance.
Number 4.
1968 Dodge D200, price $10,000, well-maintained bedliner and a sturdy weather guard toolbox, offering both durability and practicality. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 383 engine equipped with coated hooker headers and several other performance upgrades visible in the photos. The truck runs clean with no leaks, a testament to its solid mechanical condition. Inside, the Dodge D200 boasts a very nice interior with well-kept carpeting, a clean and attractive dashboard, and a comfortable bench seat, all reflecting the care it has received over the years. While the paint shows its age, it still presents well from a short distance and often draws compliments wherever it goes. Remarkably, the body remains free of rust, preserving its original strength and character.
Number 5.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,200. It sports a green exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck has undergone paint correction, giving it a refreshed appearance. While the coated bed still shows some dents from a previous owner, the interior shows some fading, a result of the vehicle's history in the Texas sun, but overall remains functional. Mechanically, it runs strong with a V6, 2WD engine that performs smoothly on the expressway, showing no wobbling or hesitation at high speeds. However, it needs a new gearbox, as the steering currently feels loose, and it also requires an AC compressor. Though the condenser remains in good condition, there is no significant rust, except for a small patch on the driver's door and a little on the passenger side.
Number 6.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a 4.3L V6 gasoline engine. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this truck has over 270,000 miles on the odometer and still carries a clean title, reflecting responsible ownership and consistent care. The vehicle features solid rockers and cab corners, with only minimal surface rust around the frame, impressive for its age. It recently received a tune-up over the summer, ensuring smooth performance and reliability. Additionally, the radiator and fuel pump were replaced approximately 2,000 miles ago, while a new battery and alternator were installed earlier this year. further enhancing its dependability. Inside, the cabin is equipped with a Pioneer radio system, JL audio speakers in the doors, kicker speakers in the pillars, and a powered subwoofer, providing a premium sound experience.
Number 7.
2000 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500. It has 197,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a white exterior paired with a gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. This 4x4 Chevrolet is known to run and drive exceptionally well, offering both power and dependability on the road. It is fitted with a gooseneck ball in the bed, making it ready for towing heavy loads without any modifications needed. The current owner has hauled multiple bumper pull campers with this truck, and it has performed flawlessly, proving its strength and reliability. Additionally, the air conditioning system blows ice cold, providing maximum comfort even during long hauls or hot summer days.
Number 8.
1978 Chevrolet K10, price $5,500, features an automatic transmission, a sleek black exterior, and a matching black interior. Powered by its original 350 small block engine paired with a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, this classic truck delivers the raw performance and reliability that defined Chevrolet's late 70s pickups. It comes equipped with headers, 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission, making it both powerful and capable on and off the road. The frame is in excellent, rust-free condition, and the vehicle includes 3 sets of wheels, 2 sets of tires, and a spare, along with numerous additional new and used parts. While it could benefit from a replacement southern bed and 2 new doors, everything on the truck is in working order. The K10 also includes a clean title and a high-quality protective cover.
Number 9.
1991 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,000. It has covered approximately 157,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Both the exterior and interior are finished in blue, giving it a cohesive vintage appeal. This truck is mostly rust-free, with only a small bubble visible on the cab corner and impressive condition for its age. It has been well maintained, featuring a new dashboard, new headliner, new distributor, and a new ABS module. The tires are relatively new, contributing to its smooth and stable ride. Under the hood, the 5.0L engine performs reliably, and the truck runs and rides great. The body remains in solid shape, with only a few minor dents scattered around. While the paint shows some fading on the hood and roof, the overall condition of the vehicle is very good for its vintage.
Number 10.
2000 GMC Sonoma, price $6,500. The truck is a short bed model that has traveled approximately 200,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior is finished in a sleek gray color, complemented by a black interior, giving it a clean and classic appearance. This particular Sonoma has been LS swapped and is now powered by a robust 5.3-liter engine paired with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission. The clutch feels solid, and the truck runs and drives well, offering a balanced mix of power and reliability. It also comes equipped with stylish Weld racing rims and tires that remain in good condition, enhancing both its look and performance.